Children, take out lesson 1. Home, sweet home. In this poem, children, the poet is describing about a home. How it is, whether it is big, small, tall, beautiful, or what may be. Every child likes his home. All the child enjoys in his home. Therefore, the quality of houses in the neighboring or nearby are different in shape, different in color, different in size, etc. Here, the poet himself is saying that my home is so sweet and it is very, very special to me. In this poem, the poet himself praises of his home, and he is has written the poem in so beautiful way, as it is read. Some houses are big, some houses are small, some houses are wide, some houses are tall. So many houses wherever I roam, but the very best one is my own special home. Dear children, this is a very, very sweet and little poem. In this poem, we see that wherever we reside, wherever we are situated, our home is in a village or in a town, where it may be. Definitely and certainly, there are so many houses around the home. The houses has got different styles, different size, different structures. But everybody, according to the poet, everybody likes his own home. Home is a place. According to the poet, home is a place where we see, where we feel, where we find like a heaven. So let us have some word meanings which are difficult in this poem. I am just giving you down on the board. You can have it. Then anything else? Okay, take some more. We can have some exercise. For example, write rhyming words. Small का होगा tall. The room has similar pronunciation, similar rhyming words. Room, home. Now we have some filling the blanks with the missing letters. We have to complete the words. For example, SOME, some. HOUSES, houses. SMALL, small. MANY, many. This is ROM, Rome. BEST, best. SOME, some. And this is special. Okay, that's all.